This lesson is the fifth in a series that helps you understand relations and functions. This lesson describes function notation. In a previous lesson, you learned that a relation can be defined by an equation. A two-variable equation like y equal 3x minus 2 defines a relationship between an input x and an output y. For example, if you input x equal 2, you get an output y equal 3 times 2 minus 2, which is 6 minus 2, which is 4. For an input x equal 2, you get an output y equal 4. This relation is also a function, since for one input x, you only get one output y. The equation y equal 3x minus 2 can also be written as f of x equal 3x minus 2. This is called function notation, and this part of the expression is pronounced f of x. There is no additional meaning here. F of x equal 3x minus 2 means exactly the same thing as y equal 3x minus 2. But function notation can be useful. Remember the function machine. X is the input, and f of x equal 3x minus 2 is the output. F of x equal 3x minus 2 is the internal mechanism of the machine that defines the relationship between an input and an output. For example, if you input x equal 2, the output is f of 2, or 3 times 2 minus 2, which is 6 minus 2, which is 4. So function notation is a way to describe the value of a function. F of x equal 3x minus 2 defines a function where x is the input and 3x minus 2 is the output. Then f of 2 is the value of the function when x is 2. If you replace x by 2, then f of 2 is 3 times 2 minus 2, which is 6 minus 2, which is 4. For another example, f of negative 3 is 3 times negative 3 minus 2, which is negative 9 minus 2, which is negative 11. You can input other expressions into functions. F of a plus 1 is 3 times a plus 1 minus 2, which is 3a plus 3 minus 2, which is 3a plus 1. You can also write complex expressions with function notation. For this expression, you first find the value of f of 3m, then multiply by 2 and add m. So f of 3m is 3 times 3m minus 2. Then 3 times 3m is 9m. Next, multiply by 2 for 18m minus 4. Then add m for 19m minus 4. So function notation is used to define a function where x is the input and 3x minus 2 is the output. For example, f of 2 is 3 times 2 minus 2. F of negative 3 is 3 times negative 3 minus 2. And f of a plus 1 is 3 times a plus 1 minus 2.